Hello, good morning. Namaste. This is Srikanth from Krishnapal from room number 36, Jubilees, Hyderabad. We are situated near to metro station. We are having four outlets in Hyderabad. One is in Taj Krishna, one is in Novotel Hyderabad Airport, one is in Patargati, now one is in Jubilees. Today I am going to show you traditional kind of gold chains. Please have a look of this collection. So these are all traditional kind of gold chains. I'll start showing one by one. Please have a look of these chains. You can just have a look of this chain. This is made in 22 karat gold with real natural freshwater pearls, with rubies in between, with CZ balls. It's totally handmade chain, and you can see these balls also. These are CZ balls with gold, and these are the natural freshwater pearls with the ruby beads in between. This is standard in length, which is around 18 inches, and this is very light in weight. The total weight of the chain is 25 grams, and the net weight is 12.3 grams. And you can have a look of this chain. You can even add pendant for this, small pendants like rubies and pearls for this chain. For every pearl, there are some gold caps are added on these pearls to give more beauty for this chain. And you can see the rubies also. Like this, we have more collection with a combination of emeralds and rubies also. Please visit our store to see a lot more collection like this. Now I am going to show you a traditional kind of a gold chain with combination of green beads. Please have a look of this chain. It is very beautiful. These are with the combination of green beads and rubies in between. And here at the bottom they used very lightweight gold pendant with the combination of CZs and green stones with the ruby beads in between. This is also totally handmade. And you can see the workmanship also at the back side. It's totally done by hand. And you can see the green beads at the bottom. And you can see here there are two peacocks at the corners to give more good appearance for this necklace. You can see the workmanship also. They used CZ for the feathers. It's totally done by hand. Inside there is a nylon strong and durable thread which is handmade, and this is long in length. I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it. We got some matching pair of earrings also for this chain. Please have a look of this chain. and this is very light in weight. Here they use very less weight of gold, which is only 10 grams. The gold pendant is only 10 grams. It's very light in weight. In future also you can even add pearls for this chain by removing these green beads. Now I am going to show a traditional kind of gold chain which is very familiar. And just have a look of this chain. These are made with of rice pearls, and these are world's tiniest pearls, which are known as kakamoti in local language. It's totally done by hand. You can see the beauty of this chain. This is with the combination of rice pearls. In between there are some ruby beads and emerald beads in between, and gold balls. It's totally handmade chain. There are several layers of rice pearls here, and you can see the workmanship of this pendant is totally done by hand, and it's very difficult work. You can see the workmanship at the back side. It has to do by hand. You can see the workmanship here. They have to drill the pearl, they have to string it like this. You can see the thread also here, so that the pearl will not come out. You see the beauty of this pendant. They use some red stones in between. It's totally 22 karat gold. And you can see the rice pearls also here clearly. Here these are the emeralds. The red ones are the rubies. It's totally handmade chain, and I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it, so that you'll get an idea. You can just have a look of this chain. We got some nice pair of earrings also for this chain. Please visit our store to see like this kind of collection. Now I am going to show you another beautiful traditional kind of gold chain with the combination of natural freshwater pearls with gold in between. Please have a look of this chain. It is very light in weight, which is they used only 17 grams of gold in this chain. It's totally handmade chain. Here you can see the pearls are graduated from smaller to bigger size to give more good appearance for this pendant. And you can see the pendant also. They use 3 different colors of stones, like red stone, white stone, and green stone, to look more colorful. And you can see that at the bottom, these are the natural freshwater pearls. And you can see the workmanship also. It's totally done by hand. Here they used a smaller size of pearls, and if you go down, they use bigger size of pearls. Totally graduated pearls. And you can see the pendant here. There is multiple colors like red, green, and white to look more colorful. And you can see the workmanship also at the back side. It's totally hallmark jewelry. You can see the hallmark also here. All our products are hallmark jewelry. And you can see the small pendant like this to give more beauty for this pendant. It's totally handmade chain. And please have a look. I'll show how it looks when you wear it. And this is very flexible also. Now I'm going to show another chain which is very light in weight with the floral kind of design. The natural freshwater pearls which are graduated from smaller to bigger. It's a combination of CZs with the green stones. The total lightweight chain, the total weight of the chain is 40 grams and the net weight is only 12 grams. So that you can just assume in 12 grams they made a very beautiful necklace with a floral kind of design. You can see here they use smaller flower, and if you go down they use a big size of flower here. Now this is also totally handmade chain in 22 karat gold. They use very less weight of gold here, and you can see there are some kind of floral caps on the pearls. It looks more beautiful by adding some kind of floral flowers on the pearls, and you can see this hallmark symbol also here. All our jewelry are 22 karat gold with hallmark, and we got a nice matching pair of earrings also for this chain. Please have a look at these earrings. This is also very light in weight. Here also they use very less weight of gold, which is 3.3 grams. So those who are looking for the gifting purpose in less budget, they can plan for something like this kind of sets. Now I'm going to show a traditional kind of gold pearl choker. Please have a look at this choker. This is very familiar design, and these pearls are known as Kakamoti pearls in local language. These are the world's tiniest pearls. It's totally done by hand. It looks very nice when you wear it. We got a matching pair of earrings also for this, and I'll show you the workmanship also. It's very difficult work. You can see here at the back side, see the workmanship. It's totally done by hand. You can see the thread also. So these pearls has to be drilled, and they have to make a design like this. It's very difficult work. The worker will take more long time to do this kind of necklaces and chokers like this, because totally it's handmade chain. And you can see the design also. At the bottom they used ruby beads at the bottom with the combination of emeralds and pearls. Very nice choker. You see the design also very beautiful. You can just have a clear look. Like this, we got a plenty of collection at our store at Jubilee Hills, store number 36. Please visit our store to see a lot more collections like this, and also you can follow our website also. Is www.krishnapal.com. Even you can even directly shop through online. We have a nice collection in this website also, like pearls, like silver articles, and many more. And we also do video call. Please save this number. It's 924803671. Even we can show through video call also. Those are not having time to visit our store, they can call to this number. They can fix the appointment. We can show through video call also. And also we got Instagram page also. In Instagram page you can see a lot more collections. Please follow our Instagram page. It's www.instagram.com/krishna.pearls.hyderabad. You can even follow our Instagram page. And we have a good benefit schemes for the customers, which is known as a gold benefit scheme, which is known as gold benefit scheme. It's a GBS scheme. Actually, it's 11 plus 1 month scheme. The customer needs to pay only 11 months, and the company will add 1 month bonus to the customers. So those are enrolling into this gold benefit scheme. The customer will get additional benefits like this: 30% on pearls, 20% on gemstones, 10% on diamonds, 20% on wastage, and 30% on making charges. So the customer will get additional benefits like this. And whatever you buy from us, you'll get a authenticity certificate like this, which verifies authenticity for the pearls, and like this you'll get a certificate like this. And this assures guaranteed purity, transparent billing, free lifetime maintenance, and assured exchange and buyback. So not only this, we got more collection at our store like diamond jewelry, polki jewelry, plain gold jewelry, and stone jewelry. Please visit our store to see a lot more collection. Thank you for watching this live stream. Have a nice evening. Thank you very much.